I know, girls, I know. You guys wait out there. I know, it's a cold one. Hey! You girls stay nice and warm? You got some eggs for me? I'm sure you do. Okay, move out of the way. Move, move, move. Move, move, move. No, you don't want to go outside, believe me. Oh, yes, we've got eggs. Yep, not too many, but some. Yep. You girls, you need to stay in here and stay warm. Yes, you do. Yeah, I know, I got snow all over my boots. You eating the snow? Huh? Yeah, I'll put some more feed in your hopper there. Alright, let me collect your eggs. I know, I know, I know. I know, you want to pick at the snow on my boots. You guys are silly. You guys are silly. But at least you're warm and dry. Alright, I gotta go get some eggs now. Okay.